Hi friends, I am Tirak, you're watching Tech Maybe Unique, and today we're going to see how to insert a border on your Microsoft Excel on your mobile phone. And if you're new to this channel, make sure to click on subscribe button below. We just quickly move on to the video. How to insert a border in your Microsoft Excel web, I just going to show in this video. So first of all, I just want to insert a border. So I just select the thing that I just need to insert a border. So I just need to insert a border for this. Okay, so just zooming here. Click on this arrow section first, and in the home section just scroll down and you can find option called a border. So just scroll down and you can see the border is on the top. Click on this border option. So here you can see now you can see border for everything with the girl section. If you just need a border for only for the box, like box, you just need to change this to this type. So now first you can see I just need to have a border for this section. So click on this border section, you just click this. Now you can see, so this is on the top, this is called word border and this is a normal border. It's like look like a box. So have this type of borders. You can just select any one of the borders to create the border style. So there is different type of total of 12 different borders. So you can insert borders by selecting the particular line and just click this and it automatically create the border like this. I think this video helped you a lot. Like this video, share this video, subscribe this channel. We will meet on next video with a super valuable content. This is Tirak signing off from Tech Maybe Unique. Have a wonderful day.